Here is a common problem we have with the C batteries. We run out of juice and we need to find a replacement. There are no C batteries available sometimes, and maybe it's be expensive. Now we can use a AA battery. It will run, but eventually it will stop. Obviously there is no contact. Now there is one solution. You can search online, and actually sharing the link in the description from some designers. Simple and quick design. It's a AA to C adapter. Link in the description. Voila, we have fixed a common problem. Now there are more designs, but this one works good. I'm talking about the C battery. Same works for Tomy. We have remove the batteries, replace it with the adapter with the AA battery. Working good. Now these are just samples. There is another file. See this model right here, this adapter. Link in description. Not my design, but it's been available for a long time. But here's what we are doing. We're doing sharing the common problem we have and the easy solution we can find. It's an adapter. You can also use tinfoil around the battery, the AA battery, but I do not recommend you to do that. Do not grab it. So here is another sample. Very simple, really good. The only thing you gotta do is just click and print. I recommend you, if you're about or you're into the new line of Trackmaster. I'm talking about the old designs. Revolutions are no, I mean Revolution. They use AAA batteries. You don't need that, but these things still work. This is working good. These adapters are working good to adapt. Use the AA batteries on a C compartment, which is really good. You can check the link in the description. So from now on, I'm gonna try to share problem, solution, and there it is. Next probably is going to be the battery covers. We know we have problems with the battery covers.